Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making a part 2 to my previous video about how to use TikTok. So today we're gonna go over like how to save certain videos, duet and react, effects, and sounds. So I'm gonna screen record everything and I'm gonna show you. This is a For You page. The left is following, so who you follow. Okay, say I want to save something, right? I go here and then I press the second one, save video. Great, it's saved. Sometimes some people don't have it. Okay, perfect. So see, this one doesn't have it. It doesn't say save anywhere. To save it, like a trick you can do is share to Instagram. All right, this one you can't save. Let's save it to Instagram. So I'm gonna exit and I'm gonna check my photos. Oh wait, look, my photos have it, yay! And the one I already saved. So that's great. So a lot of you are asking how to do like effects and stuff. So usually you can copy someone's effects. So this one has a green screen. So if you want to like copy her green screen, you just press it. And I add it to my favorite so I can find it easier. Usually if you want to do it yourself, like I can show you like the really cool effects that are happening. So you just press this and then on the left there's effects right here. There's trending, new, sorry, it's taking a while to load. Interactive, editing, goes all the way. So usually I save my effects that I see and then I press this little save button. So the one I saved is disco and green screen and shake. So I'm just gonna, yeah, so this is disco. Green screen is just, you upload a picture to your background. That's usually how I make mine. No. Here. Yeah, that's how I do mine. You can go trending and look at the other ones. Like I see this one a lot everywhere. This one. There's like the ones where you pretend like you're at like a club or whatever. You'd have to find it, but you know what you can also do? Okay, I look so dumb like this. You can also just go to Discover and maybe try to search the effect you're looking for. Think club effect. Okay, club effect. Okay, usually you can find like TikToks that have it and just like copy the effect. Okay. This one. In the crowd. So you press it and it shows you it and then you can try using it. I'm going to teach you about Duet and React. So Duet and React, you can find when you try to save it. Go like save or share. And then right here, there's Duet and React. So you can pick one. So Duet looks like this. Your screen is like the same as the other person's screen. And you could do like the same thing they're doing if you want to. That's what most people do. React, it's right here. It's their screen is smaller and like you react to it. Like, you know, like reaction videos on YouTube where like the screen's like a little smaller and they're like, wow. So that's that. And I'm gonna teach you about voice changing things and how to crop parts of your video. So I'm just gonna teach you here. So like, hi guys. So this is how you change your voice and do voice effects. So I'm gonna show you right now. So you take that and then you press the check mark button if you like it. Then you press voice effects right up here. And you can change the voice. I'm also going to show you how to like crop parts of the video. So I'm just going to shoot one part of the video right now. I'm shooting another part of the video right now. And this is the third part. So now, before I add text or anything, I press the adjust clips. So if you look down here, there's one clip here. Wait. 1, 2, 3 right here. And then you can just select it, crop it, trash it, or you can start over. So that's it. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Let me know what else you would like me to go over, since I'm still kind of learning about TikTok too. I'm not like a professional. I don't know how to do like a bunch of transitions and stuff and cool effects. Like, I don't know that. I just know like the basics. But you guys really enjoyed the last one, so I thought I would make another one for you guys. So thank you so much for supporting me. It's at 33,000 on it. And yeah, it's like, I can't believe it. But thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, give this video a like, and comment below what you would like to see next. Bye guys!